There is a sound in the center of this universe.
在宇宙的中心有一种声音。
And that sound is a vibration.
那这个声音也是一种震动。
That sound is the vibration of unconditional love.
那这种震动就是一种无条件的爱。
That sound is there for every one of us.
那这个声音是为我们每个人准备的。
It wants to reach us. From that source, my singing comes.
那我的声音就是从那个源头来的。
I do not know exactly how that happens.
其实我也不晓得这是怎么发生的。
It's what other people tell me.
这也是别人告诉我。
And I trust it.
但是我相信。
When I sing, it is always different. It is never the same.
当我唱的时候，它从来没有重复过，它都是不一样的。
Because the people who gather together are always different.
因为每一次大家聚在一起的时候，总是有不同的人。
That's why I resisted making CDs at first.
这是为什么刚刚有说到我第一次拒绝要录制 CD 的原因。
They convinced me.
但是他们后来说服我了。
So also when I sing for you now, that is new, different, and it will never be heard in that way again.
会听到也会有另外一个高频的泛音。
So have fun with it.
所以你享受吧。
Because our bodies they seem very solid.
我们的身体看起来好像就是一个很扎实的一个实体
But they are not.
但其实他们不是。
We are for the greater part empty.
其实我们就比较大的角度来看，其实它是空的。
And what is happening is really that everything in us is vibrating.
那实际上我们的身体其实是各种不同振动的组合。
Creating our body, our mind, our emotions, everything, every moment, new again.
那这些振动其实就组合而成我们的身体、我们的思考、我们的情绪。那每一刻的组合都是不同的。
And the sound of the singing voice has 4 different levels.
那其实声音包括了4个层次。
The first level is how high the pitch is.
第一个层次就是声音的音高高低。
The pitch can be low.
声音可能会很低，那可能也很高。
That's an important aspect of sound.
这是其中一个很重要的观点。
That has to do with the physicalness of the sound.
那针对我们的身体来说
Then there is the vowel. We sing an A, an O, an U, an E.
那另外一点就是我们发出的母音
And that we also use in our speaking voice. We use pitch and we use vowels.
我们在说话的时候也经常会用到这些母音。
And in the vowels we can express what we feel.
那透过这些母音，其实我们可以传达我们想要表达的。
That's why sometimes when you hear somebody speak, you say he's saying this and this and this, but I hear something different.
这就是为什么有时候你听到别人在说，他说这个，但是你心里听到其实是那个。
And you're hearing the feelings.
因为你是听到那个背后的情绪是被隐藏起来的部分。
So this is our speaking voice. For our singing voice, there are two different other levels.
那我刚刚讲的是我们平常说话的声音，但是我们唱歌的声音其实是有两个层次。
And the first level is the vibrato.
另外其中一个是那个颤抖音
，and it's like a rhythm in the body.
它像是一个身体的节奏
，especially a rhythm in our mouth.
特别是在我们嘴巴周围的这种震动。
So when that rhythm comes, you hear this in the voice.
所以你会听到像这样子的声音。
And there's a fourth level.
第四个层次
，that level is called brilliance.
叫做高频泛音。
And that has the aspect of light you were talking about.
那以这个层次来说，它就像光一样。
That light is like a transcendent quality of the sound.
光其实就有点像是声音的另外一个变形。
And while I was researching the voice as an instrument for healing, I found that those brilliant frequencies have a very healing effect on the body.
当我在做声音的研究，试着去探索为什么声音可以当做治疗的工具的时候，我发现其实就是那些高频泛音的部分，它具有治愈力。
It seems as if it is the language with which the body itself speaks.
它就像是身体它自然想要发出的声音一样。
And as long as if there is one, for instance, a nerve connection still there, from the brilliant sound, that can heal.
所以只要是那个神经本身它存在的话，那这些高频泛音都有办法去帮助这个神经恢复它原本的功能。
So at first I was very interested in this brilliant sound, and I wanted to develop it to heal people.
那刚开始的时候，所以我对这些高频泛音非常有兴趣，也一直想要去发展如何发出这些高频泛音。
And that has become one important branch of Pansori.
那这也是我 Pansori 生命之声里面一个非常重要的一个领域。
Teaching people to use their voice so it can support the healing in other people.
如果我可以教大家用自己的声音的话，其实这些声音都可以拿来治愈我们自己本身。
For that, your voice needs to be developed. It needs to be completely free to move here.
但是为了要让大家能够发出疗愈自己的声音，你的喉部的部分必须要完全的自由。
And that takes a few years.
那这个可能会花掉几年的时间。
Now I know that.
我知道那有点久。
And it's in the last 2 years that I realize how important it is that each of us uses our singing voice.
但是在过去这2年间，我发现，能够用自己的声音是多么重要的一件事。
It doesn't have to be beautiful.
它不一定要唱得很美妙。
It doesn't have to be developed.
它不一定要被发展得很完全。
It can heal you when you sing for yourself.
它能够疗愈你自己。
Because it can balance the frequencies of the different aspects in your body.
因为它能够平衡身体各个部位它的平衡。
Your physical aspect, your emotional aspect, your mental aspect, and your spiritual aspect, your soul aspect.
你的灵魂层次的。
So before you have to do something, I will do something for you first. I will sing for you.
可以想象
that the sound comes from here.
声音从下面
You
上
feel
来，
that.
你感觉到吗？
That the sound is like a spiral.
声音像一个漩涡一样，
Beneath the hands. Just
手可以放开，
and
只要唱就好。然
it's
后
like
你的上颚
a temple there.
好像一个那个庙
Or
的
like a,
屋
you
顶，
are a nature man, so it's like a cave.
所以对一个来自自然的人来说，它就好像一个，你可以想象一个洞
The
穴，
cave can resonate.
那好像你在那个洞穴里面，声音会在里头共振一样。
So you start and I follow your sound.
你先开始唱，我会跟着你。
Don't work. Can I touch you?
把你的动作或怎么样，所以你要学习是入来自己要欣赏，让妈妈了解。听到这，所以我就跟人家找洋葱，他的录音机会比较好。
和他自己的命运。
All the other techniques that I knew I had worked as a psychotherapist didn't work. So I started singing to her, and then she felt very relieved and very much better. And also her brain that was damaged before, within a month it was completely healed. So in the singing, we restore the connection between the different parts of the brain.